Good morning, peeps. Hope you're having a lovely Monday. So here I am today with my new Octo mask. So I purchased this mask on Saturday with the help of some of you. You know, I put a poll on Instagram and you guys said the blackout one was pretty much the one to go for. And it's actually my taste too, so I like this one. Also, on another note, I asked what do you guys typically do when you buy a new mask. And I've learned a few things from y'all. You know, I'm not ignorant to learning things, so you know, I'm always happy to learn a new way to do something. And you guys were telling me about lighter. I haven't tried the lighter before. I've heard about it, but I was so skeptical about doing a lighter on a new mask. So today I am gonna try the lighter hack, and then I'm gonna explain to you what I typically do with the new mask as well. So, from my understanding, okay, so first of all, for some of you that don't know what I'm gonna be doing or what this whole thing is about, so when you buy a new mask, remember, this rubber film, when they construct the mask, some of it get on the lens itself. So, and that will cause your mask to fog. So what you need to do is just remove all that rubber film from the glass, from the lens. Sorry. So some people use the lighter and burn some of it, and then they use like a detergent. What I do, I get some Colgate toothpaste and I rub some inside very hard until you hear like a squeaky clean, like like glass. And then I would use some Dawn as well. I fancy Dawn baby shampoo is pretty good. If you're gonna go to a dive shop and buy the anti-fog, it's like $10 for a small bottle. And trust me, Dawn and the baby shampoo, you can, I think, babe, how much was for the Dawn?
That was $8.99.
$8.99 for this whole bottle. You can use it to wash your dishes. You can use it to clean your mask. And sometimes I wash the car with this as well. So, you know, that's just another hack for you guys. So, use the Dawn. You don't have to go to the store and get the anti-fog. It works perfect. So, I'm going to attempt to use the lighter. I'm so skeptical about doing that because I don't want to. This cost me $80. So imagine destroying a mask, trying something new. That's why I like to stick to the poison I know. All right, so let's give this a go. All right, I guess let's do it like this. Oh shit! Oh, it's actually working. Oh, look there. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's neat. It's actually working, man. Oh man, that's cool. See? So you can see it actually removed majority of it, and it just left a few on the edges. And that's not my main concern, because with a few on the edges I can use the Colgate with a little scrub pad. This isn't the green, like the hard one. This is more like a sponge. So this won't actually leave like scrapes on the lens. So this is pretty neat. I did my first time trying this actually. Yeah, man. So it actually worked. Worked. You guys should give this a try. So now I'm gonna go and use some Dawn. I'm probably gonna use some of my Colgate just to make sure that the procedure is pretty much done. I'm not sure if you should only do it on the inside, but let's just try it on the outside to see if anything's different. Oh, yeah, it actually removed some. See? And that's pretty neat. This is the Colgate. It's just a pure white. And what I'm gonna do here is gonna put a little bit. I'll just take some out of my finger. Just gonna put some in there and some over the side. I'm gonna do the same for the outside. And all you're gonna do. So let me warm up some of this water as well. Put the heater on. And all you want to do is this. Just give it a rough rub like that. Around the edges, on the glass, on the lens, I should say. Yeah, just do that thing. And remember to rinse this out properly, because if you're going to use the mask, it's going to burn your eyes. So you have to make sure all of the Colgate is out. And that's why I'm using the warm water. The warm water is going to help dissolve all of the toothpaste. I've rinsed the mask through, so clean now. So now I'm going to use the Dawn. And we're just going to put a little bit there. Got some warm water. And repeat the steps. Do some outside. We're going to wet scrub. A little of this. I'm just going to repeat. Scrub this on here like that. That's all. So what I did was use the lighter, burnt some of the phlegm off, use some Colgate toothpaste, and I used my Dawn detergent. So I think we should be set. I'm gonna use them a little later. I'm gonna take a video. I'll let you know if it still fogs or if it worked. Stay tuned.